Sorry for the reflection from the light up there, but this just came in. I got the SENA 30K dual pack, so let's take a look. Just came in. I'm sure there's other unboxing videos for the people that watch my channel. Let's take a look. If you don't watch my channel, there's, like I said, probably hundreds of these videos. Awesome presentation. There we have it. Ooh, look at those. Those are awesome looking. Oh, already I can tell, I think slightly skinnier. We'll take a look at the 20S and 20S Evo to compare, but this kind of has the same type of shape as the 20S Evo. We got the charge, got the button there, middle button. So we still have all those buttons. Has some power already. Turn off. Got a antenna that looks like it folds out. Now the 20S Evo does not have a fold-out antenna. So that, yeah, okay, lightly push that tab out and it can come up just like that. Contacts on the bottom. Looks like it slides into the mount. Hopefully this can work just in the current mount, so I don't even have to change those out. That is awesome. It's flashing. I thought that would have turned it off. Oh, there we go. That turned it off. Let's take a look at the mount real quick, see if that seems familiar. I mean, off the bat, that does look like the 20S and 20S Evo. Button on the bottom, headphone, auxiliary, push latch to take it on and off. Let's go ahead and toss that on. Oh. Maybe you have to press that twice to turn it off. I might not have to use anything else in this kit, which I like. It gives me spares in the day eventually when they have newer models and I give this away. These will be intact and then it's like slightly used. Everything else is new. And yes, I mean give away. See what else we got. Over here, I think it's going to be the standard type setup. Looks like we have charge cable, cigarette plug charge, your various bits to mount the speakers, your manual on a ring. That looks pretty nice. I will probably have to slightly look at that if they change stuff. Again, it's a 2-pack, so you're going to repeat with the stuff on that side, and I'll take this out for now. I want to set this off to the side because that's basically it for the box. And we're going to take the 20S. Here we go. You know, you have the flip out antenna like that. This has a flip out antenna like that. Now, being that you have to pull from that direction and it's mounted close to your helmet, I don't know. Oh, hey, there's a button right up here too. So whatever that button does, see, so I will have to look at the directions. But that's comparing them. Let's just put the antennas down. Basically look the same. Front might be a little thicker on the new one here. The backs contacts on the bottom. That would be important. Looks like it has the same contacts. And yes, right off the bat, I think they made it backwards compatible for the people that are upgrading, and we don't have to change everything out every single time. I like that. I like that. So, yeah. Next one is the 20S Evo. You can see the antenna's built in, nothing to flop out. I will say this is a beta unit. I was lucky enough, so I can't do much with this one because it's beta. Under contract, I cannot do much with that. So I might be able to give it away eventually, but I can't sell it or anything because it is like pretty much non-supported. But I'm pretty sure this was the final unit. So this is what it looks like. You can tell this is the one I use most. It's dirty. And again, it fits into the 20S. So that's good. I like that fact that they backwards compatible, so you don't always have to change that out. Well, off the bat, you know, it just looks nice, and this is a basic unboxing just mainly for people who watch my channel, so sorry if you're expecting me to get really into this. Not going to happen. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll let my audience know how this works. Going to New Mexico next week, or this coming weekend actually, into next week. So we'll be trying these. Me and the FLB club will each have one, and hopefully it hooks up easy like they say, and re-hooks up and has good range and all that. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.